Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve a one-dimensional fin problem. This is the problem details. It's a circular cylindrical fin. Its cross-section diameter is 1 centimeter, length is 5 centimeter, ambient temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and base temperature is 140 degrees Celsius. H and K values are given. We will consider this problem as a one-dimensional problem and we will solve it in FEMAP software. Launch the software. Go to File, Preference, go to Geometry Model. You change this unit to go to a drop down menu. Since it centimeter is not there, you click Other and give the scale factor as 1. Give OK. Once again move to File, Preference, go to User Interface, reset dialog positions, give OK. Now you have to create the geometry. Move to Geometry, Solids, Primitives. I have cylinder, so click on cylinder, give the radius as 1 centimeter, height as 5 centimeter, give OK. Then we have to create we need to create the material. For that, model, material, ID 1. Anyway, we will give the title as any title we can give. I am giving M1. Since it's a thermal problem, I have to give the thermal conductivity. The value is 70. Give OK. Next it is a model, property, ID 1, title element 1, select the material, we already created it. Then this element or property type is solid. Give OK here. Okay. Now we have to do the mesh settings. Go to mesh control, size along curve, and here we need to select both the semicircle, the bottom one and the top one. Give OK. Now have to give the number of elements as 10. Any number you can give. I am taking 10. Give OK. Give cancel. Once again go to mesh, geometry, solids. Now we have to check all the given parameters are right here. Yeah, fine. Now give this update mesh sizing, give hexa meshing, give OK. Now we have to apply load. So we have created the mesh. Next step is to apply the loads. For that, model, load on surface. So it's a thermal load. We can give any name. I am giving temperature. Give OK. So this surface have maximum temperature which is equal to 413. So I am going to select this surface. Give OK. You have to give the temperature. Yeah, temperature is right here. The value of temperature should be in Kelvin. So we apply the temperature this side. So we need to apply temperature next in on lateral side. Again, model, load on surface. You have to select the two lateral surface. One is here and other one is. So the first lateral surface is this one. Next is bottom one. Okay, you OK. So we have convection at lateral surface. So here click on convection. Then our convection coefficient value is 5 and the temperature in Kelvin is 313, this ambient temperature. Give OK. So we applied the temperature and click cancel. Now it's about analysis. Go to model, analysis, go for new. We are doing steady state heat transfer. So next, give you next, keep on pressing next. Sure, you can change it to this one. You OK. Now analyze it. Now the solution have been done. Now load the result. So there is no errors. You can continue. For post processing, we need the temperature distribution. So either we can go by F5 option or else directly from here you can take it. So if you click this one, this is the value of maximum temperature.